Hello, I'm Gary Fraley. I'm a California State Bar Certified Bankruptcy Law Specialist. I've been practicing bankruptcy law for 42 years, and I represent clients in Northern California, the Central Valley, the Gold Country, and the Bay Area. Now, what I want to talk to you about today is the value of your home if you have a house that you own, well, you and the mortgage company. I have seen people in bankruptcy lose their homes because they didn't use the legitimate number as to the value. See, I've seen people use Zillow, Redfin, Trulia, Appraisal, and they get a number, it looks good for them. They then file the bankruptcy and they put down this Zillow or Trulia or whatever it may be value. Well, these computer-generated sites like Zillow are correct 0% of the time. Understand, they don't have somebody going out and checking your property. They don't know if you're the best home on the block or the worst. And there could be a huge difference even with the same floor plan and square footage. I've seen $100,000 difference. Now, another thing I've seen people do, which has given them great problems, is they go and they look and, oh, the tax appraiser says it's worth $150,000, so I'm in great shape. They file the bankruptcy trustee, sends the way out. No, it's worth $350,000, and they can't protect it. You see, the Proposition 13 that was in the mid-70s froze the ability to raise property taxes to any significant extent. So even the house may go up this much higher, the taxes may only have gone that much higher. And the tax appraisals are worse than useless. They're dangerous because in almost every case, that house is worth more than what the tax man said. Now, no matter what the trustee's going to do is they're going to go and they're going to get their broker and go out and take a look at the house. It may just be a drive-by review of it to see what it looks like, and then do comparisons on sales in the area. But they're not going to rely on these things because you relied on them. They're going to know what it's really worth. And heaven help you, it better not be worth significantly more, because you may suddenly have not enough exemption or homestead protection to keep that home. You do not want to lose your home because you went out and, say, got an appraisal with Joe Schmuck, and Joe says, what do you want it to be worth? And you say, well, I want it to be worth X. Joe Schmuck then says, oh, well, then I'll give you an appraisal that's worth X. What you want is the appraiser doesn't give a rat's behind what you want it to be worth. Somebody that's going to give you the truth, because that's what you need to be able to do a proper analysis and figure out whether your home is at risk or not. I had a situation here recently, and Zillow said the house is worth $450,000. Appraisal says worth $329,000. That's a $121,000 difference in what the computers generated as your value. That could be enough to make the difference of keeping or losing your home. Now, I have seen way too many homes taken by bankruptcy trustees because of reliance on these programs. I recently saw one where the trustee went out to look at it because the bankruptcy attorney used one of these ridiculous numbers, and now the trustee says, thank you, I'm going to sell your home. It happens. Don't be the one that it happens to. Now, what I'm going to tell you is go out, get a real appraiser. They don't care what you want it to be worth. You can show them the good, the bad, the ugly. Have them come out and give you a legitimate appraisal. Now, it costs you probably $350 to $500 to get that done. But that's a small price to pay to save your home. Again, I'm Gary Fraley. You'll find me in Sacramento, California. The phone number, my office, is 916-485-5444 to set a consultation. You can learn more about me on my website, sacramentobankruptcyattorneys.com. That's sacramentobankruptcyattorneys.com. Come in. You'll have an attorney, not some paralegal, that will sit down with you. It'll be either myself or my associate attorney. And we'll answer your questions, and you'll get the information you need to make good decisions. I hope this helps you. I hope you the best no matter where you are. And you have a good day now. God bless. Bye.